BSc first year students, listen here. Unit first we have already completed. Today we will start the unit second. So see here, unit second. In unit second, the chapter 1 is the Pisces. This Pisces is also called as the fishes. Fish. So today we will study the chapter Pisces. Remember, Pisces means fishes. So here, question for you, what is the Pisces or what is the fishes? So we will simply define the aquatic animals, the gill-breathing animals, the cold-blooded animals is called as the Pisces or is called as the fishes. Here definition is given: the aquatic, gill-breathing, cold-blooded, jawed vertebrates. पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे, कल्ल्याच्या द्वारे रेस्पिरेशन करणारे, श्वासोच्छ्वास करणारे कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स आणि जॉड वर्टिब्रेट्स, जॉ असणारे प्राणी, लोअर जॉ आणि अप्पर जॉ असणारे प्राणी, जॉड वर्टिब्रेट्स are called as the Pisces. Pisces are also called as the fishes. So before this Pisces, we have studied the Agnatha. Agnatha means jaw-less animals. Upper jaw and lower jaw nasnare animals. Mouth is a circular mouth. Best example is the petromyzone. Agnatha, a म्हणजे absent, gnatha म्हणजेच jaws, Agnatha. Now this is jawed vertebrates, म्हणजे जॉ असणारे वर्टिब्रेट, पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे वर्टिब्रेट, कोल्ड ब्लडेड वर्टिब्रेट, कल्ल्याच्या द्वारे रेस्पिरेशन करणारे वर्टिब्रेट, called as the Pisces. So that was Agnatha. Jaws was absent, and this is the Gnathostomata. Pisces is Gnathostomata, means having the upper and lower jaws. A म्हणजे absent, gnathos म्हणजे jaws, agnatha, and this is the gnathostomata. So remember, Pisces belongs to the gnathostomata. Now here, as per our syllabus, we have to study the general characters. आपल्या सिलेबस नुसार आपल्याला या चॅप्टरचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे, पायसेसचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. सिलेबस मध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे? पहिला पॉइंट, तर पहिला पॉइंट आहे जनरल कॅरेक्टर्स. जनरल कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणजे साधारणतः वैशिष्ट्ये. त्या पायसेसची वैशिष्ट्ये काय आहे? व्हॉट इज द जनरल कॅरेक्टर्स? व्हॉट इज द कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स? व्हॉट इज द सायलेंट फीचर्स, सिलेंट फीचर्स? So when you are in descriptive form, the general characters of the Pisces is asked in examination. So after writing the heading in your answer, you have to write one sentence. You have to write one sentence. That sentence is: Pisces shows the following important characters. And then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or maximum characters as per the weightage of marks given to the question. किती प्रश्नासाठी विचारलेला आहे, किती मार्कासाठी विचारलेला हा प्रश्न? हा प्रश्न जर 2 मार्कासाठी विचारलेला असेल तर खूप मोठा आन्सर लिहिण्याची गरज नसते. 5 मार्कासाठी विचारलेला असेल तर किती लिहायचं? साधारणतः 1 पेजेस उत्तरपत्रिकेचं लिहायचं आहे. So there is a limitation of the time, as well as there is a limitation of the characters. How many characters you have to write? How much characters you have to write? So first we will study the general characters. So in the general characters, you are writing one sentence. The Pisces shows the following general characters. So first general characters, Pisces are aquatic animals. Pisces are gill-breathing animals. Pisces are cold-blooded animals. Pisces are jawed vertebrates. So there are number of characters. या एका कॅरेक्टर मध्ये तुम्ही अनेक कॅरेक्टर बनवू शकता. Pisces is a aquatic animals. Pisces is a gill breathing animals. Pisces is a cold blooded animals. Pisces is a jawed vertebrate animals. So number of characters are there. Then in Pisces, locomotion by the fins. Remember, locomotion means the movement of animals from one place to other place. एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाण्यासाठी जे ऑर्गन्स वापरले जाते ते ऑर्गन्स इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ लोकोमोशन. सो हियर लोकोमोशन इज बाय फिन्स. पायसेस मध्ये, फिशेस मध्ये, माशामध्ये पाण्यामधल्या माशा, घरामधल्या माशाने, हाऊस फ्लायने, फिश, they are having the fins for swimming. Pelvic fins, pectoral fins, dorsal fins, tail fins. So that fins is the organs for locomotion. So we can say in Pisces, locomotion by fins. एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जाण्यासाठी जे ऑर्गन आहे ते आहे फिन्स. In our cases, in human beings, organs for locomotion is the legs. These legs. We are using the motorcycle, cycle, car. That is different case transportation. But for locomotion, we are using the legs. So here in Pisces, we are studying the Pisces general characters. So locomotion by fins. Now about the body. Body is a spindle shaped. Streamlined, dorsoventrally flat, tapering towards the both side, narrow, pointed towards the both side, for taking the moment of swimming in the water. So body shape is very important for swimming in the water. So that body is spindle shaped, means tapering towards the both side. तुम्ही फिशची बॉडी जर बघितली तर फिशची बॉडी अशी आपल्याला दिसते. Here is the fins. Here is the, this is the dorsal fin. This is the pelvic fin. This is the another fin, and there is the lateral line sense organs. So this body is a spindle shaped body. This body is tapering towards the both ends. So such body is helpful for swimming, easily swimming in the water. So body is spindle shaped, streamlined, dorsoventrally flat. Body is covered with the scales. Body is covered by the scales. That is exoskeleton. बाहेरून बॉडीच्या वरती असे स्केल्स प्रेझेंट असतात. असे आपण जर बघितले तर बॉडीवरती असे खवले असतात. माशांच्या बॉडीवरती तुम्ही बघितलं असेल खवले असतात. So body is covered by the scales. Now gills usually 5 pairs. So towards these sides, the gills are there. Here gills are there. So gills are usually 5 pairs. Towards this side 5 or towards that side 5 pairs. Never more than 7 pairs. 7 pairs पर्यंत गिल्स असू शकतात. 7 pairs पेक्षा जास्त गिल्स नसतात. Now again another character. The gills having covering. The gills are having the covering. That covering is called as the operculum, and that operculum is present only in the freshwater fishes, not in the marine water fishes. In marine water fishes, the operculum, that is the gill covering, is absent. So gill pouches are present, holes are present in the marine water fishes. In freshwater fishes, operculum is present. कल्ल्यावरती असं कव्हरिंग असते, कव्हरिंग झाकलेलं. That covering is called as the operculum. And this character is helpful other the फिश इज ए फ्रेश वॉटर ऑर ए मराईन वॉटर, ही ओळख आहे. फिश फ्रेश वॉटर फिश आहे की मराईन वॉटर फिश आहे हे ओळखण्याचं हे सुद्धा एक कॅरेक्टर आहे. इफ अपरक्युलम इज प्रेझेंट, गिल कव्हरिंग इज प्रेझेंट, देन दॅट फिश इज फ्रेश वॉटर फिश. And instead of this covering or operculum, there is a gill pouches, holes like this in the scoridown. So that fish is a marine water fish, sea water fish. Remember, that is also one of the character. Gills usually 5 pairs, never more than 7 pairs. Now tail is a muscular. Another character of the Pisces, tail is muscular and used for propulsion. फिशची टेल बघितली तर अशी पाण्यामध्ये अशी हालत राहते, propulsion. So tails are muscular and used for propulsion. Now endoskeleton. Remember, skeleton is of two types, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. बॉडी मधला सांगळा आणि बॉडीच्या बाहेर असलेला सांगळा, exoskeleton. If skeleton is inside the body, that is called as the endoskeleton. And if a part of the skeleton is coming outside, that is called as the exoskeleton. Our nails of the hands and legs, that is exoskeleton. In Pisces, the fins, the scales, that is the exoskeleton. So here endoskeleton is a cartilaginous. Remember, skeleton is of two types, exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Here endoskeleton is a cartilaginous. So endoskeleton is of two types, cartilaginous and bony. So here in the Pisces, endoskeleton is cartilaginous or bony. दोन्ही टाइपचे endoskeleton fishes मध्ये सापडतात. If the fish is a freshwater fish, then endoskeleton is a bony. And if fish is a marine water fish, then endoskeleton is a cartilaginous. Now here question arises, what do you mean by the cartilaginous? So dear students, remember, listen carefully and try to understand, try to remember cartilaginous skeleton. Cartilaginous means just like the elasticity. The bones which is present in the ear, this is the cartilaginous. हे बघा, कानाची हाडं बघा, लवचिक आहे, असं वागतात पुन्हा जसं केलं तसं. So marine water fish, if you are bending, so that becomes elastic like again towards the original size. But freshwater fishes, if you are turning like this, it will break because endoskeleton is a bony type. So in Pisces, both types of endoskeleton is present. In some of the fishes, endoskeleton is cartilaginous, and in some of the fishes, endoskeleton is a bony. Remember, bony endoskeleton is found in the freshwater fishes. In the fishes of our area, fishes of the elderly dam, fishes of the river, fishes of the pond. So our area having the freshwater, गोड्या पाण्यातल्या मासे, त्याच्यामध्ये बोनी स्केलेटन इंडोस्केलेटन प्रेझेंट असते. आणि समुद्रामधल्या मासे असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये कार्टिलेजिनस इंडोस्केलेटन असते. नाव अनदर कॅरेक्टर, नॉस्टिल, पियर्ड नॉस्टिल्स. दिस इज द नॉस्टिल. हे नाकाचे जे दोन नाकपुडे जे आहे ना, दोन छिद्र जे आहे ना, त्याला म्हणायचे नॉस्टिल्स. सो इन द पायसेस नॉस्टिल्स आर पियर्ड. दोन असतात, आपल्याला सुद्धा पियर्ड आहे. नॉस्टिल्स आर पियर्ड बट नॉट ओपन इन फॅरिक्स. आपल्या नॉस्टिल्स जे आहे आपल्या गळ्यामध्ये ओपन असतात. असं आतमध्ये जंक्शन आहे, नाक कान घसा आपण त्याला म्हणतो, तिथे आपल्या ह्या नॉस्टिल्स ओपन होतात. फॅरिक्स रिजन मध्ये, गळ्यामध्ये इथे ओपन होतात आतमधून. but in Pisces not open in pharynx except the lung fishes. लंग फिशेस मध्ये नॉस्ट्रिल्स, पियर नॉस्ट्रिल्स जे आहे त्या फॅरिक्स मध्ये ओपन होतात, अपवादात्मक. हियर nostrils are pier but not open in the pharynx except in the lung fishes. Lung fishes means some of the fishes, they are having the lungs. They can live on land also and they can respire in water also. Lung fishes. So lung fishes are different case. Now Pisces are herbivorous. They are eating the plants, aquatic weeds, aquatic algae, or whatever may be present, the flora, aquatic flora. So they are called as the herbivorous. The animals, those are eating the plants, they are called as the herbivorous. And the animals, those are eating to other animals, that is called as the carnivorous. So Pisces are both types, herbivorous as well as the carnivorous. आपण म्हणतो ना मोठा मासा छोट्या मासाला खातो, त्या मोठ्या माशाला म्हणायचे कार्निवोरस, बिकॉज इट इटिंग टू द स्मॉल फिशेस, insects, other animals, aquatic animals. Now another character, 10th character, air bladder or swim bladder is present, which is very helpful for swimming in the water. So dear students, here I have given the 10 characters. I have given one extra characters, that is in freshwater fishes, gills are covered by operculum, and in marine water fishes there is no covering, there is no operculum. Operculum is absent. Gill pouches are present. So lateral line sense organs are present. On the fishes you will find that there is a line. So that is called as the lateral line. So that is the sense organ of the fish. Fishes are oviparous. They are laying the eggs. Some of the fishes, they are the viviparous. They are giving birth to the young ones. So like this, there are number of characters. But as a time limit in the examination, we will write in notes number of characters. You read that characters. But in examination, you write as per the weightage of mark given to the question. किती मार्कासाठी प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे त्यानुसार आपण त्याला तेवढा वेळ द्यायचा आहे, तेवढे पॉइंट्स लिहायचे. So dear students, in today's period we started the unit 2nd, chapter number 1st. Name of chapter is the Pisces. So we have just studied the introduction or definition of the chapter. Then we have studied the general characters of the Pisces, general characters of the fishes. So for today it is sufficient. And one thing I would like to say you, after the period, you see that video clip, and after seeing that video clip, you send the message on that WhatsApp group, present sir and your name. Don't forget, right? Present sir and then your name. Just like one sentence, present sir and your name. No need to write your father's name. You write only your name and your surname. So dear students, here in previous period, I have found that the strength, विद्यार्थी संख्या फार कमी हे व्हिडिओ बघत आहे. जास्तीत जास्त 9 विद्यार्थी, 10 विद्यार्थी, 8 विद्यार्थी कडून आम्हाला रिस्पॉन्स मिळतो का प्रेझेंट सर. व्हॉट अबाउट अदर स्टुडंट्स, वेर आर दे, कुठे गेलेले आहे बाकीचे विद्यार्थी. आमच्याकडे व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप बनवलेला आहे, त्यामध्ये अनेक विद्यार्थी आहे, जवळपास 30 विद्यार्थी आहे, आणि आम्हाला प्रेझेंट पाठवतात फक्त 9-10 विद्यार्थी, 8-9 विद्यार्थी. सेम केस इज हॅपनिंग अबाउट द अदर सब्जेक्ट, अदर ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो. सो बी सिरियस. आफ्टर लुकिंग दिस YouTube lecture or this video clip, you send your present sir and your name. So for today it is sufficient. Remember, in today's period we have started the unit 2nd, chapter 1st, Pisces, and today we studied the introduction or definition of the Pisces and general characters of the Pisces. And again remember one thing, the best example of this is any fish. You can write channa channa, you can write katla, you can write rohu, you can write skeleton. Any fish is the example of this. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.